Mark Hunter, and I'm a sales consultant to a lot of companies all over the world, enterprise level, all the way down to solopreneur. What my objective was very simple. How do you communicate more effectively via hybrid meetings, via online meetings? I do a lot of engagements with Europe and Asia and so forth. Well, clients can't afford to fly me over, so how do I connect with them? How do I make it more meaningful for them? Same thing here in the US. It may be a small group of 3 people, maybe a group of 300 people, but again, how do I make it work? One of the things I love about this whole setup here is the hub here. This thing is sturdy and stable. In fact, you can kind of almost joke that it's the beast, but it's not the beast, it really is the love affair, because it allows you to write on the screen, do all kinds of things. But if you are watching me right now on Zoom or Teams or whatever platform, you really get invited into my office, and this gives me complete flexibility. I mean, I can go up or down with it. I can bring it right down almost where it's almost like a drafting table, and I can rotate left to right. And the ability that it interacts with my Lenovo computer, I tell you what, I can't beat the configuration. It's gold. Online sales is here to stay. Salesforce does a study every year. They just came out with the most recent one just the other day. And it continued to reiterate how more and more companies are mandating their sales team to be able to execute sales from start to finish online. And customers are liking it too, because to them, it's less of an intrusion on their part. Now, let's not kid ourselves. That does create some disconnects, but it doesn't create disconnects if you have the right setup. So the home office setup I have here is really configured with, I have a large monitor here. I don't know, it's about a 55-inch monitor. Then I have a camera up there, and I got a set of LED lights so I can balance the lighting in my office. I use the Lenovo, and this is what I run Reactiv SUITE off of. Adjacent to it is a hub. I can be doing a Zoom meeting, a Teams meeting, whatever. And I've got, this is what they're seeing here, but I'm seeing all their faces up here on the screen. See, this is why I like having this big monitor here, because it allows me to see all of their faces. And that is the basic configuration of the office.